Are you looking for a way to lose weight without sacrificing your protein intake? Look no further. In this video, we will introduce you to 5 high-protein and low-calorie fat loss foods that actually work. These foods not only help you to feel full for longer, but they also boost your metabolism and promote fat loss. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can achieve your weight loss goals without feeling hungry or deprived. So let's get started. Number 1, egg whites. Egg whites are an excellent choice for those looking to increase their protein intake while keeping their calorie and fat intake in check. They are low in calories and fat, yet high in quality protein, making them a great addition to any healthy diet. One egg white contains approximately 3 grams of protein and only 17 calories, making it an ideal food for weight loss and muscle-building goals. Additionally, egg whites are also rich in vitamins and minerals such as riboflavin, selenium, and potassium, which are essential for maintaining good health. By incorporating egg whites into your diet, you can enjoy a nutritious and satisfying food that supports your overall health and fitness goals. Number 2, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a delicious and nutritious food that is an excellent source of protein and a low-calorie option for those watching their weight. 1 6-ounce serving of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt contains approximately 18 grams of protein and only 100 calories. In addition to being a great source of protein, Greek yogurt is also rich in probiotics, which can help improve digestion and overall gut health. It is also a good source of calcium, which is important for building strong bones and teeth. Greek yogurt can be enjoyed as a healthy snack or as a replacement for sour cream in recipes. By adding Greek yogurt to your diet, you can benefit from its nutritional value and enjoy a tasty and satisfying food. Number 3, tuna. Tuna is an excellent source of high-quality protein that is low in calories and fat, making it a perfect food for those looking to lose weight or build muscle. A 5-ounce can of tuna contains approximately 26 grams of protein and only 120 calories, making it a satisfying and nutritious option. Tuna is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Additionally, tuna is a good source of vitamin D, which is essential for strong bones and a healthy immune system. Tuna can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, such as on a sandwich, in a salad, or in sushi. By incorporating tuna into your diet, you can benefit from its many nutritional properties and enjoy a delicious and versatile food. Number 4, chicken breast. Chicken breast is a popular and healthy source of lean protein that is low in calories and fat. 1 3-ounce serving of chicken breast contains approximately 26 grams of protein and only 140 calories, making it a great food for those looking to build muscle or lose weight. Chicken breast is also a good source of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin 6 and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining good health. Additionally, chicken breast can be cooked in a variety of ways, such as grilled, baked, or sautéed, making it a versatile ingredient for many different recipes. By incorporating chicken breast into your diet, you can benefit from its high protein content and enjoy a tasty and nutritious food. Number 5, shrimp. Shrimp is a delicious and nutritious seafood option that is low in calories and high in protein. 4 ounces of shrimp contain approximately 23 grams of protein and only 100 calories, making it an excellent food for those looking to build muscle or lose weight. Shrimp is also a good source of antioxidants, such as astaxanthin, which can help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Additionally, shrimp is rich in other nutrients, such as selenium, vitamin B12, and iron, which are essential for maintaining good health. Shrimp can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, such as grilled, boiled, or sautéed, and can be used in a wide range of recipes such as salads, stir-fries, and pasta dishes. By incorporating shrimp into your diet, you can benefit from its nutritional properties and enjoy a delicious and healthy seafood option.